Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to a new series, Computercraft with Jtank4. In this series we'll be going over a mod called Computercraft. This mod can be found on the Minecraft forum and in the Technic pack. I'll be posting links to these in the description of the video. Once you have the mod, all that's left to do is to make a computer. To do this, open up a crafting grid. You'll need some stone, 7 to be specific. Note this is a smooth stone, the kind of stone that you can get by cooking cobblestone in a furnace. Put the stone in a crafting grid surrounding a piece of redstone and a glass pane on the bottom. You'll get a computer, which will look like this when placed in the main world. Right-click on it, and you'll get a nice little GUI that tells you what version of Computercraft you're running, in this case 1.3. So, how do we make a program on this? It's pretty simple. All you have to do is type edit and then the name of the program. If you want to make a program that starts on the startup of the computer, simply name it startup, like I've done here. We're not going to be doing that today. We'll just make a computer program called hi. Hit enter, and then it'll create the program for us. To start off, we'll have the program clear the screen. To do this, type term.clear, and then 2 parentheses, opening and closing. Next, we'll have the program print some text. Simply type print, space, open parenthesis, open quote, and then the string of text that we'd like it to print. In this case, we'll type Jtank4 says, "Hello world." End our quote and end the parenthesis. Then we'll go ahead and hit Control, which opens up this nice little menu. You can either use the Enter key to select an option, or by pressing S, it'll automatically save it. Hit Control again, move over to the Exit option, and hit Enter. We'll run our program by typing hi, and then hitting Enter. It runs the program, it clears the screen, and it prints the text. Let's go ahead and edit our program again. Now we'll learn about defining variables. A variable is a little piece of data that can be defined and redefined and used in various cases in programming. Usually, in programming, you'll put the variables at the beginning of the document. However, in this case, in Lua, which is the programming language Computercraft utilizes, we'll go ahead and define it as soon as we're about to use it. It increases the readability of the document and helps you to remember to define variables. So, let's go ahead and define a variable. To do this, we'll type the name of the variable, in this case we'll call it hello, in equal sign, and then what we want the value of the variable to be. If you want it to be a number, you can just type a number. However, we want it to be a string, so we'll type a quote, and then the string of text. Then we'll end our quote, and now we'll have the program print our variable. To do this, we'll go ahead and hit print, and then open parenthesis, open quote, and we'll actually have it type some text along with the variable. To do this, we'll just type our string, end the quote, but not the parenthesis. Then we'll type a space, 2 dots, and then our variable's name. The 2 dots tells Lua that we're no longer talking about a string, but now, rather, we want it to print the actual value of our variable. Now we'll end the parenthesis, hit Control S, Control, move over to Exit, and hit Enter. And now we'll run our program one more time. You can see it prints the string and the variable successfully. Thank you for watching this. I hope I've successfully explained to you the art of making programs, defining variables, and printing text. If you have suggestions for future episodes, please leave them in the comment section. Stay in school, don't do drugs, and have a nice day.